Well, hi, Jeff Barlett here, and this is a tutorial video on how to play the B major chord on the acoustic guitar. So as you can see, a B major is actually going to be a bar chord, and this is one of the few guitar chords that you can only play it as a bar chord, because other guitar chords, you can play an E, an A D as a regular chord and not use it as a bar chord. The B major, however, has to be played as a bar chord. Now, because a B major is a bar chord, a lot of guitar teachers will fail to teach new guitarists on how to play it because it is a little more tricky than the other chords. But I would recommend learning this as soon as you can, especially if you want to learn how to play along with sheet music, because you're going to need to learn how to play a B note if it's going to pertain to music theory. As you may know, this B major chord looks very similar to an A major chord. So here's the really simple trick here. So just take your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky finger and switch it up a bit, and then move it all the way to the 4th fret, and then you take your index finger and you bar right here on the 3rd fret where it meets the 2nd fret. That's going to be the simplest way to play this chord. It's not that hard, and what I recommend doing is practice switching this chord from a B major to an A major. So just keep practice doing this, and that's going to be the simplest way to play this chord. And this is what a B major chord should sound like. Also, learn how to play this because I'm going to be using this chord in a lot of my tutorial videos. And that is how you play a B major chord. And I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to learn how to play the guitar. Thank you for watching, and God bless.